Hi guys, in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly master your song using Ozone Elements. If you didn't watch my previous video, now I got Ozone Elements for free through my Focusrite interface. I'll leave the link in the description. You can go and check it out. Alright guys, so without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight into it. The first thing that you have to do is pick the loudest part of your mix, and this right here is the loudest part of my mix, which is my chorus. So I'm just looping it right here. So just go straight and add Ozone Elements on your master. Simply click Start Assistant. Already, if you click the one click here, this is where it analyzes and gives you what you need. The custom one here is where we can give it a few things. So we're going to go with the custom, and I'm just going to choose something like R&B so, then everything as it is, then intensity we can be balanced. I want my target loudness to be -8 LUFS right here. Then my output to be -1. The analysis time, so let's just analyze it for like 4 bars. I'll click here to switch it to bars, and I'll just go to Start Assistant and play my audio.
Life is sweeter when you got money. Life is sweeter when you got money. No money, no honey. No money, no honey. That's the language. No money, no loving. No money, no love.
Alright guys, so it has given me what we can call a starting point for my song. So this is what it has given me right here. You can see from the vocal balance, my vocals are balanced here. It has pushed my song all the way to my desired loudness, which is -8 LUFS. And if I want to push it more, I can simply just push the maximize here to make it louder. Other extra stuff is we've got something like a width and stabilize right here. You can experiment with other targets here. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it helps the channel grow. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.